I got some things from IKEA, did a little damage. I got a little patio set that I want to put out in my yard so that I can work. Summer's coming up, so if I have a yard to do so, let's freaking set up a table area so that I can work there if I wanted to work outside on a really nice sunny day. So if you're curious, this is what I got. ASKHOLMEN. I hope it's already set up so I don't have to set anything up. It's already set up! This is awesome! She is beautiful. Now question is, can she sit on it? A little scared. She can sit on it. She can sit on it. Okay, this can hold me. Can I really sit on it? Yeah. Okay, I really want to open up this table now. Okay friends, so my parents actually came over for training, but before then I had reached out to them and asked if they had any sanding equipment because I got this new IKEA patio set. It's beautiful, but I'm afraid I'm gonna get splinters very soon if I don't sand it down. So my dad brought his sanding equipment down and helped me sand down these chairs and table, and TBH guys, immediately I felt the improvements right away. And afterwards we both stained it down, let it dry, and then wiped it down, and I cannot tell you how beautiful it looks now. Like, you can kind of see the lighter color as we are sanding it down here. I just personally love light wood tones, and the fact that we sanded it down made it so much better, and it even looks even prettier now. I couldn't wait to start using this, so I think it was like 2 days later, I immediately just started cleaning up my backyard area and just using it. And life's been amazing so far with this patio set, TBH.
2 weeks later.
I am out here with my friend Shelly. Say hi. And I am cleaning the yard, just cleaning this area right here. Yeah, my broom's on the floor. But yeah, I'm cleaning this area while Shelly is putting together the new umbrella that I got. So I'm excited to finally have like an outdoor workspace now. I just gotta put this up. Yesterday we set up this spot here and it's beautiful. Like, this is actually supposed to be a seat pad or a seat cushion, whatever, but it was too big, so I made it like a back cushion, and it's actually really nice. I love it.
She's just pushing some heavy.
And that didn't work because water was leaking through it. Even though Amazon said that you could fill it with water. Ugh. But I found these tiles. And they're hella heavy. Vinny's the gym.
We can switch.
Okay, now you gotta help. So this is the current base situation because I was too cheap to buy base. But I'm gonna get some play sand. This dog though. I'm gonna get some play sand and then I'm going to fill it up so we won't have to have all these things anymore. Because my parents said nice and then my dad said wow, one after the other. So I got some pebbles since water didn't work last time, and I don't think I got enough pebbles. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like barely halfway. Oh my gosh. I am simultaneously happy and sad at the same time. My baby mints have been growing and they're no longer babies, that's for sure. And I also got this basil plant from Trader Joe's the other day. It did not take off the plastic, so now it looks like this, and I've been trying to revive it. My poor baby. Come back. Unfortunately, we gonna have to wait for these pebbles to come, so this video is just gonna be unfinished and I'm just gonna have to be okay with that. Y'all know the look I'm trying to go for though, right? Like I'm using those bags, sandbags, which are supposed to be able to hold water, but they were like leaking. I don't understand that. Advertised as able to use water or sand or pebbles, whatever you want. No, baby girl, no. So anyways, I'm just gonna have to be okay with not being able to finish the finished look on video. And I'll probably show you guys like an update of it in the following weeks when the pebbles do come and when I finally have the finished look. I love the patio setup. The only thing I would say is you guys saw my dad sanding down the table and the chairs. Afterwards, we both stained it and like let it dry and wiped it down so that we can use it so it wouldn't get damaged from the sun as well. I was afraid for my life of getting like, what's it called? Splinters. I was so afraid of splinters because when I sat down the first time on it, I could feel like the cheap wood just like brushing up on my skin, and I was like, I'm gonna get a splinter if I don't sand this down. So that's why you guys saw all that jazz. Another thing I would say, it definitely will come feeling real cheap. So be prepared to sand it down, be prepared to stain it if you want to keep it nice and like not damaged by the sun in the long run. And then a second thing I would say that I'm not too big of a fan of is that the table itself is a little low for my liking. I have to bring out my laptop stand in order to use it, and even then like I'm still kind of looking down a little with my laptop stand. I would say this patio set, which is probably what it's meant for, is more for like entertainment and like having brunch or outside or just like chilling outside with like either food or just drinks or something. It's definitely not meant to be used for work. I knew that when I bought it. Like I just wanted to have like dual use with it. So I have been loving just going out there chilling and using it for work and to have my morning drink, whether it's like coffee or matcha in the morning. It's really nice to just be able to watch the sunrise with the set. I wouldn't take it back. Like I love my patio set, and I hope you guys found this video useful. If you guys have any questions in regards to it, I'll link the product listing from IKEA in my description so you guys can get most of your questions answered there. But in regards to usage and stuff, feel free to comment down below any questions and I'm happy to answer it for you guys. I think that's about it. Like this video if you enjoyed this content, and subscribe if you want to see more. I mostly do studio vlogs, but sometimes I'll branch out and show you some of the equipment and the things that I use for work and stuff. So thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you guys in the next video.